Okay, let's try to spawn early, but with a good spawn. So if we get like 70 people with a terrible spawn, just leave. Like this, leave. This is terrible. This is good. We're at the club. Please be an M8. What was that? There's usually something good in there. And it gave me a helmet. A level 1 helmet. Okay, if we keep on lagging, let's just do normal squads. It's funny how the squads think they're good when they kill us, but like, they're not playing duo versus squads, so like, yeah, they're not good at all. They're doing squads and they're like spamming. I bet if we were to get like a machine gun and start spamming them the whole day, then they'd probably be bad. Like this guy, for example. Not even no slowing, getting lucky with his shots. Getting lucky with everything. Okay, I'm leaving. That was stupid. There was noobs everywhere. Okay, duo or squad? Which one's least laggy? There's usually like not. This is a good spawn. 8 scope sitting in the crate. I don't have any armor. What's there? Oh, that's one of the best things in the game. Keep it. There's a person in there. Okay. Okay, do you have... There's a squad over here. Okay, I need to heal up. I don't have any adrenaline. Come over here quickly. Okay, I have good adrenaline now. Come over here. Oh, you're healed up. I'm not. I could get a good game. Thanks. Oh, take it then. It's really good for getting a hacker out of a melee. Actually, the Nagentia is better. It's way better. So, like, they try to melee lock onto you, you can easily just kill them. Like, I'm actually gonna stop doing that because I know from experience that having people on your team do that is really annoying. No, they're... Oh my god, there's a squad! I don't have any ammo! That's not fair! Check out my videos. I'm gonna do... Let's try a game of this. Dude! Join. Quickly. Really good spawn. There's an airdrop right there. Oh, and there's a sledgehammer in here. Don't you hate when you go all the way across the map with the sledgehammer to go break the eye crate, but then you get a M9 out of it? I could probably kill them. I just don't have adrenaline, so they'll probably like laser me pretty fast. There's a hacker. There's a hacker. I killed him. Mosin tree. You're also a medic, so you can run away. I'm not. Oh my god, there's a squad. I need a adren up really quickly so I can move faster. Okay, I'll deal with the squad. Watch this. Wait, take this. Whoa! I almost died. Not very much. Oh! I have a good eye when I played this game. Come over here. Yes. Where? Oh, the eye? Please be an OM. Please be an OM. What is that? I'm pretty much your bodyguard. Oh my god, I don't have any red. Dude, this was a good game. I need to reload my motion. There's another squad closing in. I need to heal up immediately. Oh, how is he killing me? No! 1 second. Wait, you're still alive? I had to just go grab my supper. What was what was that? I just spectated you and then I just went on to spectate you and then I saw him shoot you. Was the lag at least a tiny bit less? Was the lag at least not as much?